At Xiaomi, we believe our customers deserve nothing but the best. Quality products at honest prices. We design our products with the belief that every detail matters, from initial design to tried and tested durability. During research and development, every Xiaomi device undergoes thousands of tests. Any failed test leads to a complete redesign of the product. Our tests often go above and beyond industry standards. Because the stricter our tests are, the better we are at fulfilling our commitment to quality. From start to finish, our dedication to quality is at the core of everything we do. Our pursuit of quality is not the work of a single person or team. It is the constant challenge pushing us to make products that are ever more reliable, ever more durable, and ever better. After all, innovation allows us to rise to the top of the industry. But quality defines how far we go. Xiaomi.